There are many strategies, there are many techniques based on price action, but hardly someone show price action based trading on live, because as this is very effective strategy, only few can master on this strategy. But now today I will show you how you can use this strategy, how you can use price action trading, price action method on your day-to-day trading, and this is live market. Today I'll show you on live market, live chart, and I use some tools, some default tools which is available to MT4 terminal. Like I use 10 line tools, I use horizontal line tools. These lines are very effective if you can know how to use these lines, the single lines. You can make money using the single lines, and I will show you how. I'll show you how you can make money, use the single lines and use your common sense with price action method, and I will show you on live market. This is Euro JPY chart, Euro against Japanese yen 1 hour chart, and we are in live market, Forex day trading live. How can we day trade at our live market? I'm going to show you. First, from here to here we will draw a trend line, then we can understand clearly what's the market. Actually the thing is, there is no perfect price in market. Like this is a point, this is a point, this is also a point, because this price is very near at trend line. And also we will draw another trend line from here to here, from here to here. How can we trade? We will draw a horizontal line here. So these are our perfect zone. How can we day trade? Okay, first when we watch the market, here is a swing point, here is a swing point, and after this swing point price makes this high. So this is a new resistance zone for us. Now price came from here to here, and when price came from here, when price goes from here to here, then we watch a rejection, a bearish rejection from this point, and this is a very important zone. Why this is an important zone? Because this is our previous resistance zone, and this rejection occurs at our resistance point. So what we do, we will simply place a sell order here, and our stop loss would be here at the high of this candle. This is our sell area. We will sell here. If we sold here, then our risk would be only 17 pips. So 1:2 is, if we hold this pair, because 1:2, 34 pips is here, it hit at our 1:2 zone. But again price came from here to here, and then make this swing point, and then price again go there, and we watch another rejection, and again price fall from here, because this is our strong resistance zone, this is a strong resistance zone. So price again and again respecting this zone. So if we again sold this pair, sold this area, this pair, then we could make another strong movement, more than 116 pips. So what we will do, actually, when price breaks this trend line, then we will only find short setup. So we can, first time we can sell here, second time we can sell here. Again when we will see this, we can again sell here. Why? Because this is also a sell zone. Price is making this swing point, and we can now anticipate that price is in down mode. Bears, sellers are dominating the market. We can again sell here, and again when we will sell also again here, because watch the down move, how strong the down move, but how weak the up move. So again and again, how strong the down move and how weak the up move. So we can again sell here. If we miss this chance, then again we can sell again here, as price respecting this zone, because this is also our little resistance zone, we can sell here. So these are the opportunities we can use in day trading strategy. This is our live market. So this is day trading live market session. As today I've showed everything on live market, so just place your trades, manage your trades, and if you find any problems, tell me what's the problems. I will try to sort out those problems. If you have any suggestion, give me those suggestions on my comment box. If you find the video informative, hit the like button.